The Hausas in Nigeria now know who the enemy is. No be small thing, no. As we dey talk am now, they say that the Hausa people now don dey wake up because they are now knowing that Igbos are not their problem. The real problem they have is Funanis and is living with them. Oh my God, you people need to watch this video. It could be the best video you will watch in a year 2024. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you update back to back. Update no dey finish for our table, no. As we dey talk now, they say that the Hausas now don dey wake up, but they know the people where they buy all the whole Christians where they for their side. They say that the Christian where they don't buy for Hausa land, it never happened for anywhere before. And who are those people who they do this thing? Now those same people where they carry cow, where they call Funani herdsmen, where they carry cow, they enter people farm, they are buy people. Now then still they buy houses. Now they are speaking up and know the truth to who they truly are. My people, let's watch this video together. Watch the video from beginning to end. You understand that these people are now speaking out and not knowing who the enemy are truly are. My people, let's watch the video. We'll come back and continue.
Hello, welcome once again to Hannatu's Corner. What a wonderful last day of the year, wonderful Sunday. Happy Sunday to all of you out there. Thank you so much for all your subscription, all your sharing, all your liking all my videos. It's been some time I came with I started a series. I almost finished, maybe I will round up today on the issue of on behalf of the Hausa Christians. I'm saying that we can no longer keep quiet with this series number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before I shifted took time in this month of December, from the beginning of the month, to do Hausa Christmas Carol, to do Barka de Christmas, and then here we are again, Hannatu's Corner. We will continue to talk about issues, our situations, and what we believe is the way forward, and exposing the real truth. I am a Hausa Christian, Hausa by tribe, back, front, and center, and I'm a Christian, and Hausa is not a religion, it's a tribe. We have Muslims that are Hausas, we have Christians that are Hausas, we have traditional religious worshippers that are Hausas, and just like every other tribe in Nigeria and around the world. So we have been created Hannatu's Corner. We have taken time to create awareness about the Hausa Christian community. The whole north is not Hausa land. Hausa state specifically is Jigawa State, Kano State, Katsina State, Sokoto State, Zamfara State, northern part of Kaduna State, and the Zazzau Kingdom. I will not call it Zazzau Emirate because it's a kingdom. Emirate came later. Emirate has to do with Fulani taking over Hausa land. So I will say the Zazzau Kingdom. And then in Kaduna State is a Hausa kingdom. And then part of Kebbi State. And the remaining, wherever you see a Hausa man or woman, is a settler there like every other person. And we're all over the place, all over the country, north, south, middle belt, all over. And we are discussing our issues. We are the people that almost about over 180 years, the Fulanis came in and took over Hausa land, killed our forefathers and took over. So it's a mix. It's a kind of people are not understanding the whole reality about this particular people. So and we, the Hausa Christians, we in particular, we have peculiar issues, and which I say we will not continue to keep quiet. Thank God for our Hausa Muslims that are now understanding the real situation. We have been separated for so many long years. I mean, if you see a Muslim that is a Yoruba Muslim have his brother or sister that is a Christian, and the family goes on, and no calling of names. This person is this person's brother. Every tribe in Nigeria, you have almost every tribe in Nigeria, almost every tribe in Nigeria, you see some people are in that same tribe, some people are Muslims, some people are Christians, but you see that the Christians are not being called a special name. But we in northern Nigeria, when when we were living, Islam had been there long before them 40 years jihad, and we have been living, there was no name calling. But after them 40 years jihad, a name came up for all the Hausas that have refused to accept the Danfodios religion, and the name we were called Maguzawa. And initially it has a meaning. Initially it was like Masugudu Sungudu, because as many Hausas that could not accept the religion, and they have to run away for their dear lives or they will be killed. Killing was all over the place, all over northern Nigeria. Killing millions of people dying. So as many that don't want to die and they don't want to receive the religion, they run into the bushes, and they keep calling them Masugudu, Masugudu, Sungudu. Gudu is running in Hausa. And eventually, gradually, the name kept changing color, as in derogatory kind of calling. It changed from Masugudu to Maguzawa. Maguzawa. And it has come to stay today. Some people are thinking that when you say Maguzawa, you are talking about another tribe in northern Nigeria. No, so what other tribes, somebody is a Christian, somebody is a Muslim, no special name calling. But in Hausa land, a name was given to us, and that is it. But today now, the other people so they call people that are still practicing traditional religion as Maguzawa, which is really not the right word. They will say they're supposed to call them, even if they want to call them, they're supposed to call them Yan Gargajiya in Hausa, Masa Addin and Gargajiya, not Maguzawa. That word has to do with the Danfodio Jihad that invented that word for our forefathers that refused and that ran away. So I kept talking, and I believe that people are beginning to understand. Please help share this video. The truth have to be known. It's only the truth that will set this nation free. It's the truth that will set us free as a people, and it's the truth that will set northern Nigeria free. We cannot continue to dwell on lies, on propagandas, and move forward as a nation, as a region. In the Hausa land, there's so much backwardness, so much slavery, so much backwardness, and the same people that are enslaving people, the same people that are causing the backwardness are busy preaching hatred, preaching hate speeches, preaching division, and enslaving the people the more. So, and preaching lies upon lies about people. So we have to come out. Hausa Christian, our forefathers were so intimidated, so harassed, so intimidated after killings and killings and killings and torture year after year. They are silent, and most of them, they have died in silence. And we in our generation, people have continued to keep quiet, and we are saying we can no longer keep quiet. We cannot continue to keep quiet, and we cannot continue to hide our faces. Our forefathers have hidden their faces, kept quiet, ran into the bushes, hid their faces, and it didn't help the situation. And we are still being trampled upon. We are still being pressed down. So we can no longer keep quiet. We can no longer hide our faces. So in Hanatu's Corner, you see my face. Whenever I keep saying, whenever you look at my face, look at millions of Hausas. I'm not talking about other tribes. You can imagine the other tribes in northern Nigeria. You can imagine other tribes. I'm not talking about other tribes now. I'm talking about the main Hausas. And the Hausas are many. Hausas are the majority in Northwest, in their millions. And out of these millions, the Hausa Christians are about between, that is why I keep saying above 10 million, between 15 to 18 million about 5 to 6 years ago on calculation. So we are talking about these people. Today I come with the part 6, and I want every Nigerian to listen to me very, very carefully. I come with an important message. I will greet my people in Hausa. I keep mixing because I want both people, my people that do not understand English, let this video get to them, let them understand. The part number 6 is for every Nigerian to hear, because, and I would like us to listen to that, that whether it's sheikh or whatever, that cleric. Again, he spoke in Hausa during the 2023 election, which today is the last day of the year, and was castigating, was calling any northerner, calling northerners Wawa and Dan Iska. It's only Wawa or Dan Iska. Wawa means a fool or a bastard. Dan Iska is bastard. It's only a fool or a bastard northerner that will vote for Peter Obi. That's the statement he was making. He was instigating a lot of hatred, calling. Well, let's listen. I would greet my people in the house. I will listen to the video, and I will come back again, and there are things to be said. Thank you once again. Welcome once again to Hannatu's Corner. Ina maku maraba da zuwa sosai kwana Hannatu. Barka da Lahadi, barka da Christmas, mun ci Christmas lafiya, barka da Lahadi, kuma barka da wannan rana da Allah ya kawo mu da rai da lafiya. Muna cikin masu rai, muna cikin lafiyayyu masu rai. Rana ta ƙarshe ta shekara ta 2023, 2023, 31st December, yau rana ta ƙarshe. Yau na zo da na ɗauki lokaci na ɗan dakata daga batun, ba za mu ci gaba da yin shiru ba. Na zo yau da kashi na 6, kuma ina son kashin nan na 6. Idan kai ɗan Najeriya ne, ɗan Arewa ne, mai kishin Najeriya, mai son cin gaban Arewa, mai son cin gaban ƙasar Hausa, mai son cin gaban Najeriya, ina so a taimaka a baza wannan bidiyo. Akwai abin da zan faɗa yau, kuma ba ƙarya, ba inki, ba tantama. Abin da ya faru da iyayenmu a mulkin Sardauna, da wannan malamin addini ke cewa shekara da shekaru yau shekaru 57 ana ta propaganda, ana cewa Igbo sun kashe Sardauna, Inyamurai sun kashe Sardauna, Inyamurai suka kawo yakin basasa da sauransu. Ina so a saurara, domin mu Arewa dole mu wa kanmu adalci, mu fito mu wa kanmu gaskiya, mu faɗi gaskiya, mu yi adalci, mu kalli kanmu da kanmu. Waye matsalarmu? Iba ne matsalarmu? Bayarabe ne matsalarmu? Shin wane ne matsalarmu a Arewa? Waye ya kawo cin gaba? Wace masifa ce ɗan Arewa a ƙasar Hausa mutum bai gani ba? duk wani abin da za a ce wasu sun yi mana 'yan kudu mun gan shi riɓi 100% a nan wurin. Iyayenmu da kakanninmu sun gani, wasu sun mutu, wasu kafin su mutu sun gaggaya mana yadda aka yi. So don kada a dinga danne mana haki, a dinga danne mu cikin farfaganda ta ƙarya, a hana mu, a hana wannan region, a hana wannan yanki ci gaba saboda an kashe Sardauna. Ina so mu saurari wannan bidiyo din. Bayan mun saurari wannan bidiyo zan zo in yi magana, zan faɗi magana ta gaskiya, magana wanda yawancin 'yan Najeriya ba su taɓa ji ba, ba wanda ya taɓa gaya masu abin da ya faru da iyayenmu musamman a nan ƙasar Hausa a Najeriya kafin mutuwar Sardauna. Idan na gama bayani za ku gane cewa kamar in ka koma bidiyo na ba za mu ci gaba da yin shiru ba part 5, za ka ji na ce idan akwai wanda mabiya ɗan hodiyo da mabiya Sardauna za su ji haushi, ba iba za su ji haushi ba, sai su ji haushin Ubangiji mai duka mahalicinsu wanda shi ya yi sanadiyar kashe Sardauna, kuma yana da dalilin da ya sa yi haka. Kuma yau ina so in faɗi ko ba duka dalilan ba, wani daga cikin dalilin da ya sa Sardauna dole ya mutu saboda arewa ta samu, shi ya sa yau muke da arewa. Lallai kam ya yi aiki, lallai kam ya yi abubuwa. Wannan university da take garin Zaria da ake kira ABU da sauran abubuwa da ya kawo cin gaban arewa na wani fannin. Amma in za ka kwatanta, in za ka sa a sikeli aikin cin gaba da aikin ta'addanci da aikin kashe mutane da aikin mai da mutane bayi, wane ne ya fi yawa? Ina so a kalli wannan bidiyo, ina kuma ƙara roƙo a baza wannan bidiyo, a baza wannan bidiyo ya kai ko'ina, mutane su gani, mutane su ji, mutane su san gaskiya. Yayin da ka san gaskiya kuma kai aiki da gaskiya, gaskiyar da ka sani kai aiki da ita za ta 'yantar da kai. A kalli bidiyo, please listen to this video and it's in Hausa. I will come and explain after you finish listening.
Dattawa fa arewa, tsofi dai, tsofin arewa ba dattawa ba dattijan da bai san mutuncin al'ummarsa ba dattijan da bai san mutuncin addininsa ba. Wannan dattawan ikilishe ne, su ne ka kashe mana mutane, ka kona musu dukiya, ka yi musu maganan banza, kuma ka zo ka ce mu zaɓe ka. Ai da a cikin kabilan Ibo wadda ma dama shi ma in laifin yan uwansa bai shafe shi ba, wadda da mu iya zaɓen ya tsaya shugaban ƙasa dama shine Okorocha Rochas, tunda shi yana mutunta mu kuma yayi an gani. Amma ga mun fita Obi me yayi aka gani banda walakanci? To mun banda shashashan dan arewa dai zabi fita Obi a dare, mun banda shashasha dan iska wa dai zabi fita Obi? Mutumin da ya mai da ku kannuka, ya mai da ku ba mutane ba, kabilar suka kashe ku, ya zo ya goyi bayan su, ya yi maganganun banza a gaban mutanenmu, suna bakin cikin an kona dukiyarsu, an kashe musu yan uwa, ya zo biyo da wani maganganun banza. Kuma yau shine fita Obi wai yake yawo wajen su Ango Abdullahi, wajen su baban gida. Wani su yake ta yawo ba, su Ango Abdullahi tsohon farfesan jami'a, su baban gida. Allah wadda ran naka ya lalace. Raƙumin dawa ya gana gida ana lafta masa kaya. Aini inda fita Obi dai zo wuri na ba dai yadda mai ganni ba. Dan kamar mutum ya ganka mai ka mutunta shi. Kan ce go away. Take you away. Amma har kuna goyon bayan sa? Sun kashe mana prime minister? Sun kashe mana Sardauna? sun birkita Najeriya, suka jawo yakin basasa civil war, aka kashe mutum sama da miliyan guda, suka dinga kaba Hausawanmu kusa inci tara kai, ko ba ka suka dinga yi bane? Ana dawo da gawakin su, wasu ma aka jefa a ruwa. Wannan ne zai fito shugaban kasa mu zabe shi saboda mu yan iska ne? Peter Obi kare.
Now you have listened to the video. It's in Hausa. The cleric is talking about so many things, and I have been taking them one by one. He mentioned about the campaign of Peter Obi. He mentioned about the fact that they will not even vote Igbo man. That the only Igbo man that they can maybe if they need to consider, they can consider to vote for president is Rochas or Korocha, because Rochas have done some humanitarian something here and there for them that they can see and testify. But no any other Igbo man can come up. They killed their prime minister, they killed their Sardauna, they killed so many northerners, over 1 million northerners, sinking 9 inches nail in their head, throwing their bodies inside river, inside water, sending their corpses back to the north, and so on and so forth. Now, I have mentioned that everything this man have said, everything this man have said that the Igbos have done to the northerners, he is calling, he's not really actually calling Hausas or Fulanis. Maybe I think maybe he's a Fulani man, because most of these northern clerics are actually Fulanis. They are not Hausa. He's not calling a particular tribe. He's talking to the whole north, the whole over 200 over 200 tribes, or over 250 tribes and ethnic groups in the north. He's talking to the whole north that they should not vote a southerner, especially the Igbo race. They should not vote for them. They should not have nothing to do with political affiliation with them. And because of all these things he mentioned, and I'm saying that everything this man said have happened to northerners in their fatherland was 10 times, 100 times, 1 million times. Okay, let's say for the past 8 years, where we entered the 9th year during the reign of the regime that just finished, Buhari's regime, the estimation of northerners that have died, Hausas and other tribes that have died in the hands of bandits, in the hands of Fulanis, they are above 7 million. So if he's talking about 1 million, we are now talking about 7 million. So who are the people that northerners should run away from voting for? Who are the people that northerners should run away from voting for God's sake? Who is torturing the northerners? Who is oppressing the northerners? Now, if you remember, quite all right, some of us in the north, as I go back to talking in Hausa, some people, if you remember, if you are in the north 2015, before Buhari came to power the first time, 2015, something happened that year. Something happened across the north. People just discovered that, especially Christians, they discovered that their houses are being marked. Their houses are being marked before election, before presidential election. Their houses are being marked. And some Christians, at least I know some that...
If you have watched this video from beginning to end, you will understand what this woman is really talking about now. No be small thing, my people say you don't know am now. Say now those people, now them don't connect. You know, say all the whole good position for Nigeria today, now then hold am. No be even the Rűn Hausas. The Rűn Hausas are not troublemaker. I've been saying it because I grow with these people and I know these people. I know how they function. But you see those people where they cause all those wahala for inside Nigeria, they are the Funanis. Those who come to occupy everywhere. Now them. Thank God say Hausa people don't they wake up, because they need to wake up and know who these people are, because Igbos are not their problem. Even Biafras are not even their problem. Ariwas need to wake up so that they can be able to live in their own land. Guys, share this video and make sure you follow this page for more updates as it dey hot.